In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and sync two Airtable bases. By the end, you'll have one base pulling live data from another so your team can work from a single, reliable source of truth without duplicates or copy-paste. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and signing in. From your home screen, open the base you want to share data from, the tile that contains the table and view you want to sync out. We'll treat this as the source base. In the top right corner of the source base, click Share and Sync. This is where Airtable manages external access and syncing options. In the panel that opens, choose Sync Data to another base. You're telling Airtable that the data in the current view should flow into a different base. Next, enable the option that allows data in this view to be synced to other bases. This is important. Airtable only syncs exactly what's in the view. That means any filters, sorts, and hidden fields you set here will determine what the destination base receives. If you need to limit sensitive fields or reduce noise, take a moment to refine the view before continuing. Now confirm by selecting Sync this view. Airtable will prepare a configuration that mirrors the columns and rows visible in that view. You'll be prompted to choose where the synced table should live. First, pick the destination workspace. This is the location that contains the base that needs the data. Then choose the specific base that should receive it. Make sure you have the right permissions in that destination. You'll need access to create a new table. When you're ready, click Create Table. Airtable will add a new table to the destination base and map the fields from the source view. In the destination, those fields will be read only by default. That's by design, so changes in the synced table don't break the integrity of your source. If you need to work with the data, consider creating additional tables, lookups, or views alongside the synced table rather than editing it directly. To pull the initial data across immediately, click Sync Now. You'll see records appear in the destination table, matching the source view. From here, Airtable will keep the table up to date on a schedule, and you can always return to the sync settings to trigger a manual refresh or check the last synced time. That's it. You've connected two Airtable bases, scoped exactly what's shared through a view, and kicked off the first sync. Use this setup to distribute curated, accurate data to other teams and keep everyone aligned without extra maintenance.